2026 Dacia Sandero continues to build on its reputation as one of the most sensible and value-focused hatchbacks in the European market, offering straightforward mobility without unnecessary complexity. Staying true to Dacia's philosophy, the latest Sandero focuses on refinement rather than reinvention, delivering improved design details, better technology, and enhanced efficiency while remaining affordable and practical for everyday use. It is aimed at drivers who want reliable transportation with modern features, low running costs, and a design that feels fresh without being overly aggressive. From the outside, the 2026 Sandero adopts subtle styling updates that give it a more confident and contemporary appearance. The front end looks cleaner and more modern, with updated lighting signatures and a refined grille design that aligns with Dacia's current brand identity. The body proportions remain compact and well-balanced, making the Sandero easy to maneuver in urban environments while still offering enough presence to feel substantial on the road. Depending on the trim level, simple yet attractive wheel designs and understated exterior accents add character without compromising the car's budget-friendly nature. Inside, the cabin reflects noticeable improvements in layout and usability. While the focus remains on durability and simplicity, the dashboard design is more organized and user-friendly, with better placement of controls and improved materials in high-touch areas. The infotainment system is more advanced than before, featuring a larger touchscreen on higher trims with smartphone connectivity, navigation options, and improved responsiveness. Storage spaces are thoughtfully integrated throughout the cabin, making the Sandero practical for daily commuting, shopping trips, or short family journeys. In terms of performance, the 2026 Dacia Sandero continues to rely on efficient small-capacity engines designed to keep fuel consumption and emissions low. Petrol engines remain the core of the lineup, offering smooth power delivery and sufficient performance for city driving and highway cruising. In select markets, LPG and electrified options further enhance the Sandero's appeal by reducing running costs and environmental impact. The driving experience prioritizes comfort and ease of use, with suspension tuning that absorbs road imperfections well and steering that else feels light and predictable. Safety and driver assistance systems have also been improved to meet modern expectations. The 2026 model includes essential features such as automatic emergency braking, lane support systems, speed limit recognition, and improved stability control. While it may not offer every advanced system found in more expensive rivals, the Sandero provides a reassuring level of protection that suits its target audience and price point. Overall, the 2026 Dacia Sandero remains a strong example of smart, honest automotive design. It does not attempt to compete on luxury or high performance, but instead excels at delivering reliable transportation with modern styling, improved technology, and excellent value for money. For buyers seeking an affordable hatchback that covers all the basics while feeling up-to-date and dependable, the latest Sandero continues to be one of the most competitive